Here are 6 tips to enhance your appearance through personal care. Hello there, my name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'm a certified etiquette consultant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, I talk about manners, modern etiquette, self-development, and anything else that can help you become the best version of yourself. Now, if you've been here before, I'm very happy to welcome you back. So for today's video, we will be going over tips on personal care that can really help with your appearance. Now, this is going back to how first impression is everything. You always want to leave a lasting first impression. So let's get to it. Number 1, let's start off with grooming. I'm talking about showering on a regular basis, brushing your teeth, making sure that you step out of the house with your hair neat, trimming your facial hair if you're a man, and leaving the house with well-manicured nails. Not only will this leave a good impression on someone, but it will also really make you feel better about yourself versus just running out of the house all disheveled. Number 2, dressing appropriately for the occasion. So you certainly want to dress depending on the event that you're attending, whether it is a wedding or just a nice dinner at a really fancy restaurant. You want to dress appropriately based on either the venue or the event. Number 3, skincare. Now you want to take care of your skin on a regular basis. This means cleansing, moisturizing every morning and every night. This is really important because it's one of the first things people see, right? Your face. So you want to make sure you are taking care of it. This can come off as you being a healthy person that just takes care of yourself. You know, if you have acne or any issues, there are dermatologists out there that you can take advantage of, or even get facials on a regular basis. Number 4, maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. Now, I'm talking about working out and moving your body on a regular basis. I work out about 3 times a week. I used to do more, but you know, life happens too. It's been definitely scientifically proven that when you move your body, whether it's just stretching in the morning or doing meditation or yoga, can really make a difference throughout your day and your overall feeling for that day. And also, eating a well-balanced diet. I know for me, when I eat something not so healthy, you know, so once in a while I indulge in like a burger, I can definitely feel it in my body. It just weighs me down. It's delicious, but it just weighs me down and doesn't make me feel great. Number 5, personal fragrance. Now you want to be mindful of your fragrance. Sometimes it can be offensive towards other cultures if it's too much. So you just want to opt for lightly scented fragrances that can really make you smell nice, but at the same time not overpowering. And lastly, your posture and body language. With your posture, you want to stand and sit tall with your chin parallel to the ground. This will give you a more confident look because I know that you are very confident within yourself. And with your body language, you just want to make sure that you are open and receptive and welcoming towards others. I have a video on this topic and I'll make sure to link it down below. And there you have it, some easy tips that can really enhance your appearance based on personal care. I think personal care is really important and everyone should be practicing and taking care of themselves. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.